I'm scared. Last summer my city sizzled so hot you could see the heat shimmer and roll in red waves. My tongue blisters in recall to recall its taste that is pepper, no verdant hue or rose in bloom, but black as Dragon's Cave. Still fiery sands light or blazing saddles up in awe about this burning place. She rides the bus to the school she's never seen and acts like someone she's never been in front of all these children she'll never see again. Pretending her ascension into higher education, she wears the white in her eyes like a skirt or a blouse, and she squirms like a mouse in an oven when it comes. The cinder horse. The chariot is drawing the sun, and gorged, enraged Apollo sears and he tears her dress with his father's rapist smile. Can you believe she smiles back? There is no crawling yet, but the world turns cold and freezes over, and her knees first touch the railing of the tungsten. Sun God is peeling sweat in tearful earthly layers that are like fifth grade as the dew falls asleep on her shoulders. The ocean of asphalt is grainy and hot, and observed through the crack in the glass. They take the road where there are no more trees, and her dreams are in the stolen car sold on the side of the sliding sidewalk that they pass. Pluto, she is terrified when she turns to see him, and the pit of her panties feels deep, deep lonely. The garden that he takes her to is not a place to whisper who you are and where you're from, or what your mother would think if she could see what you've become. Her rabbit heart beats flutter, and somewhere a bird is flying away without her, but when she reaches out to grab it, she is met only with the stutters of the fingertips. She follows the key. They sit at the table beneath the window. They tangle, but his face is full of razors that trace the scars of where the flesh tone turns to lace, turns to fur, to velvet, to iris, and his hands are plows, but there is no harvest, no seeds to sow, no seeds to swallow. The hunger makes her ill on his back and in his hair. His scythe is low. Her weeping is his reaping, and when he leaves to keep her salt within her skin, she runs away all disabled and disheveled, and even then she cannot understand the weeds that grow. She's ashamed and couldn't care in the $2 blue that she thrones. Oh, poor Persephone in her 3-pack for 20 quarter underwear. She runs and I watch her, and I know that girl, and I'm scared, and I know that girl.